we have several steps to do before using the machine. The main work is about the laser cutting head. So the first step is need to check the protective lens of the laser cutting head. We need to check 2 points. The first is about if there is any burning spots on the surface of it. If there is any burning spots on it, we need to replace it by the new one. And the second, we need to make sure it is clean. And next step, we need to check about the ceramic ring. So here you can see this is the ceramic ring. So we need to check about if it's in good condition. Here it means that we need to check it is tight or loose. We need to make sure it is tight before we use the machine. And next step, we need to check about the nozzle. So firstly, we need to check, make sure it is in good condition. Here we need to check if there is any scars on it, and the circle is good or not. So if there is any scars or the circle is not in good condition, so we need to replace it by new nozzle. And after we replace it by a new nozzle, we need to do once again the calibrate work. And the next step, we need to check about the coaxiality of the laser cutting head by using transparent tapes. Next step, when we make sure the machine is in good condition, so next step, we need to start the machine. After we start the machine, we need to make the laser cutting head back to the origin, and then we have to do the calibration work. Okay, when we start the machine back to the origin and doing the calibration work, so before the cutting work, we need to check the gas supply. We need to make sure the remaining gas is sufficient and make sure there is no leakage in the gas path. And the last step is about the checking of the condition of the dust cover and the laser cutting head surface. Firstly, we need to make sure there's no any objects on the surface of the dust cover, and then we need to wipe the laser cutting head surface and make it clean before the laser cutting work.